Today we're making a Paula Gooey cake. Any cake mix to your liking. I'm using vanilla cake mix. Drop in your white cake mix into a bowl. One stick of butter melted. And 1 egg. Drop in some crushed walnuts. It should look like this, you guys. You just stir it all together to it's combined together. It should look just like this. Now we're going to get our baking pan and make sure our baking pan is greased with olive oil or butter. We're going to go ahead and drop it into our baking pan. Now we're going to flatten it out into our pan. So this is what it's supposed to look like once you flatten it out in the pan. Now we're going to add our topping and show you how to make the topping for this. So you're going to need 1 stick of cream cheese, 2 eggs, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. Drop in your cream cheese into your pan, into your bowl. Dump in your 2 eggs and your powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna mix it up, the eggs and the cream cheese. We're gonna add in some vanilla, like a teaspoonful. Mix it up. So now we're gonna start adding in our powdered sugar a little bit at a time. And just keep mixing it until it's nice and creamy. Our mixture is done. That goes on the top. I don't know if y'all can see this. Uh-oh. I'm making a mess. So now we're going to take our cake and we're going to pour it on top. Just pour it on top. Make sure we spread it all on the cake. Spread it out evenly on the cake. See everyone? It's combined it all together. Now we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. Your top should look brown and golden, like a caramel crust on top. Come back in a minute. Here you go, the finished product, you guys. Look how yummy. Now all we gotta do is slice it up. Here goes the finished product, you guys. Gooey cake.